Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video, and as every video, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours, and if you are a scalper and a day trader, in 30 minutes, and you choose the time frame you want depending on your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, yes, I'm talking to you watching me now. Are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard. It's just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. It will not take you that much. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here. You done it? Welcome to the family. So, as you see here, guys, in the daily, what happened today? Here, the market after breaking here, that level of us here, that one here, also we've been waiting to get broke. It fell down here in that level, and it's showing a little bit of rejection here, as you see it, because also we enter short because of that one. And I saw someone in my Telegram channel, he's saying he wants free signals or whatever. Over here, we give him free signals. Look at that. We told you to enter short from here, and we told you to put stop loss here. If you trading without stop loss, don't follow me. That's it. The only thing I can tell you. So what else we said here, when it's breaking here, we said enter short. That's it. That's what else we said. It came to Bitcoin here now at that level here, as you see it. It's showing here a rejection, maybe a little bit of rejection, but that one it's not big. Let's wait in the coming days, because that level where we are here is a very stronger level. Let me show you why. As you see it, we got here that trend line. We get broke here. The market is go up till here. Now it's going back at testing here. Now either from here is going to go higher and to break for us the last high, or from here it will showing us a fake out, then it's going to fall down again. That's the clear picture. Look with me here. Look with me here in that level here. What you see in here? What you see in here? The market came and touching here the trend line. Now it's showing here as if it's going to go back. That's something healthy. But that big candle here, that's not healthy. And in the yesterday video, what me I told you for 30 minutes, I give you a entry signal. Yes or no? Told you enter now? Now it's too late. That only for scalpers and day traders. For long traders, it's not yet. Everything is too clear here and here. That two levels. That one here and that one here. Why else we put them? We put them because of the options. We said the first one is it here at 24k. As you see, that's what else we said. And we said the down one is it here at 20k. Everything is in front of you guys. Just some people, they never ever trade. They came and they making things complicated. Also, that's what we're telling you. We told you over here there is the majority of pots without calls. And over here they are the calls alone without pots. That man, over here there are cover calls. And over here there is people they selling naked pots without cover. That's what also we said. Man, those people here is going to be good for them to buy here. And last week we used to have here one at 22k. So those people here, they getting triggered. For them, the Bitcoin, if it fall down here, it's cheaper for them to buy. And me, I am one of them. I buy from here, me. I will not lie at you. Me, just today, I buy from here. Because me, I'm still bullish in the Bitcoin. That's my view to it. I don't care if it fall down to 7k or 2k or whatever. Me, I'm still bullish in Bitcoin. Me, maximum, I said the Bitcoin is going to fall down to touch here that 200 moving average. Then after that, it's going to give us here like a very big head and shoulder here in the daily. Let me show it to you. That's my view personally. Because if you look in here, look with me here. If you look in here, it's going to give us here a very big head and shoulder like that. That's my view personally. I think it's going to fall down to touch here the 200 moving average. Then after that, it's going to go up. That's why me, when it started falling, I started buying. That I'm talking about long-term trading. It will not be for 1 day or 2 days. It will be for years. Everything is too clear now. Now let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying for pictures to get more clear to you. That one here, what me I told you yesterday, here, in that level here, what me I said? Yes, here, what me I said? In that level here, what me I said? I said, maybe from that level here, is going to touch that trend line, then after that to go back up. That's what me I said. Look at it. We be in here at the overbought area. Also, we're talking here about long-term trading. Also, still in the daily. It came here, it touching the trend line, and the trend line it's being touched every time it bounce up. So it might from here it will going up and to break for us that last high which is here. That's a scenario. The second scenario, what is it? It might from here to fall down and to break down and to enter here to the oversold area, and also will buy again. Cause me every time that one when it touching the oversold I buy. Like last time I buy from down here till up here. Same thing now. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing today for swing trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Look with me here. Look here. Someone, I don't know what those people they doing. Look here, what you seeing here. Look here, look, what you seeing. Bitcoin it fall down here. You got that blue one is the 200 moving average. He came, he couldn't break it above here. That's why me I told you, also we are short. The Bitcoin is still in a falling down. Also here in the small time frames, also we are still falling down. There is no buying now. And me, we been waiting here for ages here. We got here a megaphone. And when it's getting broke here, we enter short. Yes, here is going to correct because over here, we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Yes or no? But the take profit, where did I said me? Me I said the take profit is going to be here, down. Here, at that place, here. That was me I said. Why me the take profit here? Why here you need to protect yourself? Because over here is the 200 moving average in the daily. So if tomorrow do we like that going back up here, it's not a big deal. Also, we're putting the stop loss here. In the top of that one. Also, we put in the stop loss here. So if that one do like that, then after that falling down, because market doesn't falling down like that, and it doesn't going up like that. The market is always working with waves, and you need to be patient. Without passion, there is no trading. That's what me I've been teaching you. I've been saying that thousands of times. And here, what me I said in the 4 hours here, I told you got here a down channel like that. Look at it. Very clear down channel here. You see it or not? So it might, that one it will go up to touch here. That's why me I told you it might from here it will going back to touch here that level here. It might going back to touch it here. Then after that it will drop in again to touch the lower of that channel. But you now you are down in the 200 moving average and the Bitcoin couldn't break it above. I just show it to you. Look with me here what you got here. Here, look at it exactly here what you got. You see it or not? It came to touch the 200 moving average but it couldn't break it. Like the monthly in 50 moving average, we couldn't break it. That way we don't see that bull run started. Because all the people to be in the eye on them in the monthly candle. The candle of monthly it finished like that. Couldn't break the 50 moving average. The same thing here. So that one what the view for it, that one is going to fall down again. Don't follow me. Me I told you me I buy in the daily. Me I know what I'm doing. Me I buy in the daily and I'm not buying all my capital. Me I buying slowly by slowly. When is it a bear run? Me I started buying. I don't know where is it the bottom and no one know. That's how me I make the money. So when is it going to go up? Me are collecting all the cash. But you, if you trading with leverage, there is no buying like that. That one is going to fall down. I told you, tell here. Then here we're going to see if it's going to reverse or it's going to continue down. There is no one can tell you here now the Bitcoin will change its direction now from the downtrend to an uptrend. Look at that. For you to enter long, it's need that one to come to break here. To break the trend line here for us to know the market is changing to upward. And that one is just a correction. But now there is nothing like that. Maybe in Monday you're going to see Bitcoin falling sharply or tomorrow. So you need to be careful about those things. Don't just try to open orders. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go to see our indicator what it's saying here in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in our indicator. What me I told you about that one. Look at it. We're being falling down like that every time we touch it. What's happening? It reversed. And now we touch here the oversold area. Should we buy? No, my friend, we don't got any price action indicating the market is going to reverse upward. So it might, that one came just to touch here, the trend line here. Then after that, it will falling down again to the oversold area. So you need to be careful about those things. What me I told you? I told you it might, that one came just to touch here, the trend line. Then after that, it will falling down again. For us to enter long, it's need that one to do like that, to come and to break here. And to change from the bears control to the bulls control. Who controlling now? It's the bears, not the bulls. There is no bulls now in the market. So don't be trapped and don't follow other people. I don't know where you're getting those signals from. Us here, the bears will control in the market. There is no bulls controlling the market. Remember that. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go into our other indicator. What it's saying? That one here, we've been here at the overbought area for some time. Yes, it's boring. Let's make it like that. But also we've been waiting. And I told you we got here a price action and we been waiting it to get broke either up here or either down. People, they been with me, they been following me for all along the time. When it's getting broke here, also we said, guys, we need to enter short. We enter short. Now that one, it's enter here to the oversold area. Should we buy now? No, there is no buying now because we don't got any price action here indicating the market is going to reverse. The only price action also we got is that one, the down channel. Here, look at it. That one, it need the market to come upward till here and to break it for us to know the market is reversing. But if the market just do like that, came and touching the trend line here, then after that falling down, it's a normal thing. You need to be careful about those things, what I'm telling you. Also, about that indicator, what else we saying thousands of times. For you to enter long, it need our indicator to be at the oversold area. That's the first condition. Second condition, what is it? We need to be in a very stronger supply and demand zone. And yes, also we are in it. Third thing, what is it? And that one is the most important thing. Price action. Got any price action here? Yes, you got here that small channel like that, or you can even make it like that, like a wedge like that. If that one came and break in here, yes, you can enter long, but tell now it doesn't come and break in here. Why should also we enter long? You need to be careful about those things, what I'm telling you. Everything is too clear here. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. And over here is only for scalpers and day traders. Remember that. What else we said here in the last video. You can just find it in the channel. We came here. We do like that. We said we got here a small channel. We said when it's getting broke here, we enter long. It's getting broke here. As you see it, you enter long till here. And where me I told you it needs to be the take profit of you. I told you got here a down trend line like that. I told you when it's going to be touch here, try to protect yourself. That's what me I told you. Over here now, you can find all that analysis in the last video. Just go back and watch it. And I can even put a short video about that. It came here, it touch here, look at it. It touch here. Now what it's showing here? It's showing as if the market is going to fall down. Now for us to enter short, what should we do? We came here like that and we do it like that. As you see, the trend line from that one and that one. Because the long also we enter from here. When it's breaking here, in the trend line here, we enter long. Now here we need to protect ourselves. That's it, that's scalping. Now if that one came and break it lower here, if that one came and break it lower here, also we will enter short again. Like how it happened here. People, they been with me. When just breaking here, I told them to enter short. Yesterday with DBN here, I told you try to protect yourself. Everything is very simple. You don't need to make things complicated. Now you got here, look at it. The market try to give you here like a small triangle. Let's make it like that. But that one it needs to come to break here. If it's breaking here, it's going to go till the 200 moving average because till now you still in an uptrend now here in 30 minutes. Look at it. You see, you remember that trend line also we've been talking about? Yesterday, I told you when it's going to be touch, you need to protect yourself. Now it touch here. And why me I told you you need to protect yourself? Because me I told you, you got here a down channel like that. We touching the lower of it here. And the market it started slowing here. Then after that it went up. Now we're touching the top of that channel. So maybe from here we're going to fall down again. And what we got here in that level here, what we got? We got there the daily trend line. As you see it, we touch it, then the market it bounce up till here. Now either it's going to fall down and to break here because that level is very stronger level, the trend line here. We came back and we break it, that's another story. Or maybe from here we're going to go back up and to break the 200 moving average. Now in 30 minutes, what should you do here? Let me show you. Here in 30 minutes, us we enter long from here because yesterday we used to be here at the oversold area. It came, it's breaking the trend line here. We enter long now at that level. Try to protect yourself. And our indicator is enter here to the overbought area. So try to protect yourself by just moving the stop loss up, taking some of the profits, something like that. Now what should we do? Level, we are in a very stronger level and even a downtrend like that. Yes or no? For us to enter short, what should we do? Look with me here. You came like that and you draw a trend line. If that one came and break a lower here, that level here, you enter short. That's it. I think everything is too clear. So that's it for that video. And please don't forget to smash that like button, to write down a comment, support us guys. And if you could even share the video. See you in another video. Bye for now.